You're busy. It's London. And the last thing you want to do after work is clean the bathroom, right? Welcome to the FastKlean channel, your go-to for smarter, cleaner living in the city. Today, we're answering one of the most common questions. Is hiring a professional cleaner actually worth it, or should you just do it yourself? Let's break it down. DIY cleaning saves money and gives you control. You pick the products, the timing, and the style. For smaller flats and solo living, it can work perfectly, especially if you're on a tight budget. But here's the trade-off: time. Deep cleaning eats up your evenings and weekends. And let's be honest, scrubbing behind the toilet isn't exactly relaxing. Before we dive deeper, hit that like button, subscribe to FastKlean, and share this video with a fellow Londoner juggling chores and chaos. Professional cleaners don't just tidy, they deep clean. Skirting boards, ovens, top shelves, stuff you forget or don't want to deal with. For families, pet owners, or busy professionals, this service is a game changer. At £30 to £60 per session, you're not just buying clean floors. You're buying peace of mind, time for yourself, and relief from daily stress. Some people go hybrid light cleaning daily and pros every few weeks. That way, your home stays fresh without the burnout. So what's the best option? It depends on your lifestyle, but if your day off is filled with chores, it may be time to let the pros take over. Like, share, and subscribe to FastKlean for more tips on making your home feel like home again, because life's too short to spend it scrubbing.